Imagine you send your best friend a birthday cake by delivery van, but the road is bumpy and messages get lost. What if the van never shows up, or worse, shows up twice and leaves your friend with 2 cakes and a very confusing party? So let's start simple. Delivery just means sending a message from one place to another. Our van carries the cake, the message, from the sender's kitchen to the friend's front door. But the road is the network, and networks lose things, hiccup, and repeat themselves without asking. Now that we have a road, here's the easiest plan. The van drives once and never checks back. This is called at most once. If the cake arrives, great. But if the van breaks down, nobody notices and your friend gets nothing. Fast, simple, but sometimes empty-handed. So how do we stop losing cakes? We tell the van to try again until it hears back. This is at least once. The cake will definitely arrive, which is wonderful. But if the thank you note gets lost, the van thinks it failed and drives back with another cake. Remember that second cake? That's a duplicate, and duplicates cause real trouble. Imagine the cake was actually a bank payment. Sending it twice means your friend is charged twice for one gift. So arriving is not enough. We need it to count only one single time. So here is the goal: exactly once delivery. No matter how many times the van tries, the result must look like the cake was delivered a single time. 0 cakes is a failure. 2 cakes is a mess. Exactly 1 is the promise we want the system to keep every time. But how does the house tell a fresh cake from a repeat? We put a unique sticker on every order, an identity number. Even if 2 vans show up, both cakes wear the same sticker, so the house instantly knows they belong to the very same delivery. So the house hires a doorman with a special list. Every time a cake arrives, he reads its sticker and checks the list. If the number is new, he writes it down and lets the cake in. This memory is the secret ingredient for stopping repeats. Now the retry van arrives with the second cake. The doorman reads the sticker, checks his list, and sees that number is already there. So he politely turns this cake away. The friend still gets exactly 1 cake, and the duplicate never makes it inside. This clever habit has a name: idempotency. It means you can repeat the same action 100 times, but it only changes things once. Press an elevator button 10 times and the elevator still comes once. The extra presses are safely, quietly ignored. So how does the van finally stop trying? The doorman sends a signed receipt saying cake number A7 received. Once the van holds that receipt, it knows the job is truly done and parks for good. The receipt is the handshake that ends all the retries. But what if that receipt gets lost on the road? The van, hearing nothing, tries again. Yet the doorman's list already has A7, so he simply rescinds the receipt and turns the cake away. Even lost confirmations can't create a second cake. So exactly once isn't one gadget, it's teamwork. The sender remembers which stickers it sent, and the receiver remembers which stickers it saw. When both notebooks agree, duplicates vanish and nothing gets lost. 2 memories working together keep the promise safe. So where does this really matter? When you tap to pay, you should be charged once, never twice. When you order online, 1 click should mean 1 package. Big data pipelines use these exact tricks, so every event counts a single time. Next, let's gather what we learned. So let's recap. Give every message a unique sticker. Keep a memory list of what you've seen. Turn away any repeats and confirm with a receipt. Do that, and no matter how bumpy the road, your friend gets exactly 1 cake, 1 time, every single time.